I'll show you step by step how to duplicate or manipulate models in Ultimaker Cura. Whether you are creating a multiple copies for a big project or testing different setting, this guide will make it easy for you. So first, open Ultimaker Cura, click on file or drag your model HTML file into the workspace. Just open it. Okay, I'll open it. This confirm the model is visible on the build plate. Click on the model, the Cura workspace. You will see the model highlighted with adjustment arrow. Right click on the selected model. You don't get duplicate option because there is only manipulate selected option. So you have to click on manipulate. It will automatically arrange the model on the bed. Assume like we want 5 copies. Okay, so I'll input 4 and okay, so voila, you can see that there is a 4 copies. Actually there is a 4 model but copies are 4. Okay, and after that, if you are not satisfied with this arrangement, click on the right click and arrange all models button. Automatically position the model. Yeah, like this. If you don't satisfy, you can use this arrange all model in the grid. Okay, so it's on you how you use it. Ensure all copy fit within the build plate. Check spacing between model for proper printing. Okay, I am satisfied with the spacing. If you are not, you can adjust your model position and click on the preview tab to verify the layer and layout. So we preview. Okay, adjust setting if needed. Once satisfied, click slice and save the file to the desired location. Yeah, and that's it. Now you know how to duplicate and arrange model in Ultimaker Cura. This is the great way to save time and improve your efficiency when printing multiple items. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more 3D printing tips. Thank you so much. If you have any question or want tutorial on specific Cura features, let me know in this comment below. See you in the next video.